Welcome to eCurrentAffairs.in website. In today's daily news analysis section, we are going to see many topics. Today's date is 16th/11/2014. In today's current affairs section, many important articles came. We are going to briefly mention the important topics and how we should cover from the civil services exam point of view. First, we will see about black money. Recently, our Prime Minister visited Australia to attend Brisbane 2014 G20 summit. There, he emphasized the importance of curbing the menace of black money. So in this background, you should be able to answer what is black money and what is G20 and its structure and its mandate. Whether G20 is achieved its objectives, the answer is no. So according to the experts, G20 is becoming redundant. So if UPSC asks a question, is G20 is becoming redundant, you should be able to write some 4 to 5 pros and cons points. And how black money is linked to the security challenges. And you should be able to differentiate tax avoidance and tax evasion, because these are the terms coming in the news regularly with respect to the black money. The another term coming in the news is tax havens. What are tax havens and what are the important tax haven countries in the world? As you know, India signed many double taxation avoidance agreement, and how the DTAA or double taxation avoidance agreement contributes to the menace of black money. And the another term that is coming in the news is shell companies. What are shell companies? How it is related to the tax avoidance. Now, what is the outcome of recently held Brisbane G20 summit? So you should be able to answer the questions related to black money. Now the next topic is Beijing Declaration. What is Beijing Declaration? Why it came in the news? As you know, Beijing Declaration is related to women empowerment. It was announced in 1995. So 20 years is going to be over. So the Beijing Plus 20 review is going on. And in this background, you should be able to write briefly about what are the major problems being faced by women in Asia Pacific, especially with reference to India. United Nations established a women organization called UN Women. So in this background, you should be able to write few points related to the structure and mandate of the United Nations, especially in the women empowerment. What are the 12 important points mentioned in the Beijing Declaration? What is UN ESCAPE? ESCAPE stands for Economic Social Commission for Asia Pacific. So you should be able to write some points related to the structure and mandate of UN ESCAPE. So these are the terms came in the news, so prepare well on this topic. The next topic that came in the news is howitzers. What are howitzers? How howitzers are important for Indian Army? What about Dhanush howitzers and its salient features? Why Indian Army is short of howitzers, particularly after Bofors scheme? Who is this person? Walter Burley Griffin. Why he came in the news? What is his contribution? Recently, our Prime Minister spoke about Walter Burley Griffin to Australian and US President. How he is linked to three countries. Actually, he is an architect and he established many important buildings before independence. So in this background, you should be able to write few points about Walter Burley Griffin. Next topic is Smart Cities project. It is our Prime Minister's ambitious project. India sought help from many countries who have expertise in building the smart cities like Canada, South Korea, Australia, Japan and other countries. So first of all, in this topic you should be able to write briefly what are smart cities, what are the peculiar features of smart cities, means the peculiar features, how the peculiar features differentiate the smart cities from the other urban areas or cities. So these are the countries getting ready to help India in realizing the smart cities project. Recently, Barcelona also said it is willing to help India. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The both personalities are coming in the news every day, and there are enough points are there in our NCERT materials. So prepare well on both these personalities for 200 words, especially their contribution to the pre-independence India and post-independence India. Next, Rosetta mission. Why the mission is important? What is Comet 67P? Why Rosetta mission failed in its objective? Why Rosetta mission targeted comets? How comets will be very useful to understand the evolution of universe. So you should be able to write few points for all the subsections. And next is Comet Siding Spring. Where it is located and why it came in the news. How it is related to Mars Orbiter mission and Maven mission. So you have to read well. What is US Pivot to Asia policy? What are the core policies of US Pivot to Asia policy? How it may help to counter the assertiveness of China, especially in Asia Pacific region, particularly in South China Sea and East China Sea. Do you think India should become a part of US Pivot to Asia policy? So you should be able to write answer if UPSC asks question from any section. It is an important topic for mains 2014 as well. And next topic is US-China climate deal. What is the importance of US-China climate deal? As you know, China is the world's biggest emitter of greenhouse gases, and USA is the second largest emitter of greenhouse gases. So any agreement between the world's largest and second largest emitter, so it gets important. So in this background, some important concepts are coming in the news regularly. That is Kyoto Protocol, Green Climate Fund, Green Economy, Tech Adaptation, Mitigation, Technology Transfer. So become familiar with the basic concepts and facts. What is Makulu Islands? Where it is located? Why it came in the news? Makulu Islands is a part of Indonesia, and the recent earthquake occurred close to the Makulu Islands. For further details, visit our website. Another sensitive issue related to Indian economy is the level of coal imports. What is 80:20 scheme announced by Government of India to curb the coal import, and what are the important steps taken by government and RBI to curb the import of coal? How coal import leads to the current account deficit and decline in forex reserves is a very basic topic, so you should be familiar with all these terms and establish a proper linkages between the coal import, current account deficit, forex reserves and other important concepts. Thank you for watching this daily news analysis video section, and keep visiting our website, that is ecurrentaffairs.in, every day, and watch our video of current affairs analysis. Inform your friends about our initiative. Thank you.